Hello students, this is Subrata Ghosh. Now you will be learning how to calculate mode of a continuous series. As we know from our previous class, mode is a value which occurs highest number of times, or in other words we can say the observation which has the highest frequency is considered as mode. However, for the continuous series we have different formula, and the formula is this is the formula of mode of a continuous series, or you can say, or for you can also apply this formula for ungrouped dataset, where all the terms have specific interpretation like L1, F, F1, I, FM, F1, F2, all the different terms have specific interpretation. Now we will explain the each and every term of the formula. Here we have the formula. Mode equals to L1. What is L1 here? L1 means lower limit of model class. It means firstly we have to find out the model class. Now the question is how model class will be obtained. The observation which will have highest frequency, that class will be considered as model class. Then what is FM? This is FM. This is FM. FM is the frequency of the model class. And this, what does this F1 represent? F1 represents the frequency. What is the frequency? Frequency of the class before the model class. And what does this F2 represent? This F2 is the frequency of the class after the model class. This is F1 stands for before the model class, and F2 represents after the model class. That is the difference only. And this I has usual meaning. That is I means the size of the model class. It means gap between the two interval, lower interval and the upper interval, or you can, okay. And this formula is applicable only in the case where all the class intervals have the same or the equal size. Okay. Now we will apply the formula in solving the problem. Suppose we have this problem that find the mode of the following. We have this problem. We have to find the mode. Okay, and this is a continuous series from 0 to 60, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And all the different class interval have different frequencies. Okay, now we will see how to solve this problem or how to get the mode. Okay, Now we will see how to calculate the mode. What I told you before, to get the mode, first we have to find or search the observation which has the highest frequency. Now see, among all the frequency, 27 is the highest frequency. Understand? It means this is the modal class. Okay? So it means, what is the modal class? Modal class is 30 to 40 is the modal class. It means firstly we have already got the modal class. Now we have to find the other terms. It means this is the frequency of the modal class, highest frequency. This is FM. Now it is before the modal class. It is F1. It is after the modal class. This is F2. This is FM, frequency of the modal class. This is before the modal class, F1, and this is after. And this is the modal class. It means this L, this 30 represents the lower limit. Okay, and what is the gap here? 30 to 40. Gap is 10. It means I is 10. It means what we have got? We have got L1 equals to 30, I equals to what? I equals to 10, FM equals to what? 27, and F1 equals to 7, and F2 equals to 10. And this is the modal class, 30 to 40. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now, if you clearly write this thing, we will get this one. What we have got? L1 is what? L1 is 30. FM is 27. F1 is 7. F2 is 10. Size of the medial class is also 10. Okay. Now we will put all this value in the formula. Here we have the formula. Putting all this value in the formula, we get this is the formula. Now recall the value of L1. This is L1, value of L1. This is F2, FM, frequency of the modal class. Then FM, then 2 into 27. Here FN, F1, F2, and I. Okay, now if we calculate this, we will get all these figures. It is 20, 22 into 27, 54, 7 and 10, 17, it is 10, 54 minus 17 is 37, is 20, 200 by 37. If we calculate this, you will get 5.4. Now if we add up 30 plus 5.4, here is the 35.4. This is the mode. This is the mode. Hope you understood and enjoyed the class. And lastly, I would say, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you for watching this video.